Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn colors name. Bottle green color, blue color, silver color, purple color, orange color, red color, dark pink color, yellow color. Today we will trace A to Z. So let's get started. A for aeroplane. B for banana. C for caterpillar. D for doctor. E for egg. F for fish. G for girl. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. K for kitten. L for lion. L for lion. M for mouse. N for nest. N for nest. O for ostrich. P for papaya. P for papaya. Q for queen. R for ring. R for ring. S is for sun. T for tomato. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for vulture. V for vulture. W for whale. X for Xerox. X for Xerox. Y for yacht. Z for zero. Z for zero. Very good guys, today you have learned from A to Z. A for alligator. B for banana. C for caterpillar. D for doll. E for eagle. F for fish. G for girl. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jump. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nest. O for ostrich. P for pigeon. Q for queen. R R for ring, S for strawberry, T for tomato, U for unicorn, V for van, W for water, X for Xerox, Y for yak, Z for zigzag. Very good, guys. You have to practice this every day. And like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.